Hello, this is Jeff with GetResponse. In this video, I'll show you what an on-demand webinar is and how to create one. On-demand webinars allow you to offer webinars to anyone at any time. This is quite helpful for people who would want to see a presentation but would find it difficult to attend live due to their schedule, time zone differences, etc. You won't need to be present to start the webinar, and you do not need to moderate it. So long as your plan allows you to record your live webinars, you'll be able to create an on-demand version. The first step in making an on-demand webinar would be to first perform a webinar in order to record it. You can either record an actual live presentation you give to an audience, or you could simply create a webinar and do a presentation but without an actual audience, strictly for the purposes of having your own webinar recording. We would recommend using either the presentation in video or presentation recording options for the best appearance. Once you have a live webinar recorded, just go to Menu, Webinars, On-Demand Webinars, and here you'll find the Create On-Demand Webinar button. Here you'll want to enter a name, and then under Basic Settings, click Add Details. Here you can customize the final part of the URL for your webinar, select the recording you wanted to use, and choose your thank you page option. Either the default page we show, you can provide your own URL here, or you can directly link people to a landing page made with us. With this option, you can create your own call to action to direct people to a sales page, a landing page, your own website, etc., whatever you'd like. You'll find options to enter a message, enter the text that will appear on the button, the link for the button, some customization options for colors here, and finally, set the time that it appears and the length of display. Save that when you're done. And next, under Subscription Settings, you'll find the option to choose the list that they're added to when they sign up, the option to add them to the autoresponder cycle, and you can also add a GDPR field to the sign-up or registration form. Otherwise, once you're satisfied, just click Create, and you're finished. From here, you'll find the URL that you can use to direct people to the webinar, the option to unpublish and publish it, statistics for visits and the number of attendees, and under the three-dot icon, the option to edit it, preview, or delete it. That concludes this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us via chat with the option you see on the left. Until the next video, farewell.